I'm sorry for the technical glitch. So here you can see on April 3rd by cartage 800 in total payments, and this 800 is also entered in the carriage column because cartage and carriage are almost similar items. So I have written it here. The rest all the columns are blank and total payments 800. The next transaction is paid bus fare 400, speed post 200 on the same date, that is April 4th. Bus fare 400 and speed post 200. Here you can see by bus fare and by speed post I have written it two different items on the same date, April 4th and April 4th, by bus fare and by speed post 400 and 200. This 400 will go to bus fare, that is conveyance, and speed post will go to postage 200, and rest of the columns will remain blank. Next item is paid for stationery 700 on April 6th. So here you can see on April 6th by stationery 700. This has gone to the stationery column, here 700. In this way you can complete the whole sum. At the end, on April 15th we have paid for refreshment to customers 900. Here you can see on April 15th by refreshment 900. Refreshment column we don't have, so it has gone to miscellaneous column 900. After this you will make the total of the total payment side as well as the amount received side. Here you can see in the amount received column we have 10,000. In the total payment side, when you make total, you will check which side is higher, the same way as we do in ledger. As we balance, the same manner we'll do here. After balancing, I have found the total payment side is 7,800. This side is 10,000. So this side the total is higher. So 10,000 I have written both the sides in total payments as well as amount received. From this 10,000, when I subtract 7,800, I get 2,200. So on April 30th, the end of the month, I have written by balance CD 2,200, and the same balance CD is copied below the total to balance BD on May 1st. After April we have May, so the 1st of May I have written to balance BD 2,200. In the next month, since you have 2,200 and we are following Impress system, so the remaining balance to make it up to 10,000, that is 7,800, again will be received. So on May 1st next month you will again receive 7,800, so that to make it up to 10,000 again. This is Impress system of maintaining a petty cash book. So in exam you might get a question of preparing cash book or petty cash book or both. So this is the format. At the top you need to write petty cash book. Debit you need to write here amount received. Total payments you need to write credit, and in this way you need to make the total. You also make the total for all the columns, but you don't need to balance each of them.